Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this breakfast pizza. So let's get into it. It'll change your life. It is so good. So to my eggs, I'm just going to add this smashed seasoning, which is just garlic, salt, and pepper. Usually when I'm making something with bacon, I don't add any seasoning because of course it's salty. But the bread, the pastry don't bring nothing to the party, so you have to season each step. I add a couple tablespoons to my eggs, mixed it on up, and set it to the side, and we're good to go on that. Next, I started getting my bacon together. You can use whatever bacon you prefer, but this is the full-fat bacon that I'll be using today. I got what was on sale, but get your favorite brand of course. Okay, your girl be budgeting. Okay, cook it the way you like it, but I would suggest not cooking it super duper crispy because it is gonna cook again. So to my pan, I'm going to brush it down with butter so that the pizza crust could get nice and crusty on the bottom as well. Just wanted something different on this day when I made this pizza, and that's what I went with. I'm usually making a bunch of like fruit or like regular egg dishes in the mornings, but I really wanted this, so I made it. Y'all, I make pizza dough from scratch because y'all never see me up here doing pizza like that. I did not know that this canned stuff was this big. Like, it took up the entire cookie sheet. Cookie pan, cookie sheet, whatever y'all want to call it, child. I didn't know they were this big in the package. But anyway, I brushed it with some melted butter, and then I added some salsa. You can use whatever salsa you prefer. Once you get the salsa nice and spread all over your pastry, you want to pop it in the oven to get it going first. Not cook it all the way, but maybe 10 minutes. To get it going, because you don't want to overcook the eggs. It's rules to this, okay? So you want to add the salsa all over because that's your base, your zhuzh, okay? The thing that's going to keep everything together other than the cheese. And but you can use the salsa that you prefer. I went with green because I like the color and the flavor of this brand. And I got it out of Walmart, I believe. While that's in the oven doing its thing, I'm going to saute down some peppers and onions. Mix it up really well. Get it nice and caramelized, or as far as you want it to go, I would say. Now I'm going to season it with this Caribbean all-purpose seasoning. Like I said, I'm seasoning every step because of the dough. You guys know it's not super flavored. And the bacon is just not enough, in my opinion. Next, I'm going to add my seasoned eggs down in here. And you want to cook this until it's nice and fluffy. Do not overcook the eggs, y'all. Please. It's getting cooked again. Relax. Don't overcook the eggs. I know somebody's caring and going to be in my comments. The eggs are raw. I don't care. It's going to cook again, okay? All right, so make sure you cook it nice and fluffy like mine. As a matter of fact, mine are actually overcooked if you want to be technical, okay? This is what the dough looks like once it comes out of the oven. Now I'm going to spread the cheese all over top. I'm using pepper jack. You can use whatever you prefer. The pepper jack was on sale. That's what I got, y'all. If you want to use Monterey Jack, Italian blend, stretchy kinds of cheese, cool to you, okay? So now I'm also going to add the egg over top. As you can see, I broke it up into smaller pieces. And I'm using my hands. Yes, I'm using my hands because it was easier. I washed my hands, and I'm using my hands because it's easier. And of course, then you want to put your crispy, delicious bacon all over top. Now, for real, I know sometimes I have doubters on this channel. I think that you should try this recipe, especially if you have children. They'll really love this one. After that, I'm putting pieces of Oaxaca. I don't know how to say it properly, so I just say Oaxaca cheese. Bits and pieces all over top. No, it's not optional. Go buy it and do it, okay? If you want yours to look exactly like mine. Sprinkle on some parsley all over top as well. If you have any extra bacon fat, put it all over top as well. It comes out the oven looking like this. But let me tell you something. First of all, the smell. Between the salsa, the bacon, the Oaxaca cheese, it was just, y'all, I can't even deal. Look at this pizza. If you make it, tag me and let me know what you think. If you want me to make other pizza recipes, tag me and let me know that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.